paper we have only one correction, is that question number 75. The correct answer is D, but they have given the correct answer as C. So here it is a correction. And let's talk about hard question. The first question is question number 13. In question number 13, they have given this paragraph and they've given this question. Okay, in this question, okay, that is about Euro 3 norm. And Euro 3 norm, the important thing is that in Euro 3 norm, the sulfur content in petrol is less, and that is 150 ppm, and the sulfur content is 350 ppm. Sulfur content is 350 ppm, and that is important. The sulfur content in petrol is 150 ppm, and the sulfur content in diesel is 350 ppm. The first statement in question number 13 is from this, and the second statement is that in Euro 3 norm, the aromatic hydrocarbon, the percentage of aromatic hydrocarbon is 42%. 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 And the third is the goal. The goal of this Euro 3 norm is nothing but the Euro 4 norm. That is, they want to reduce the sulfur content to 50 ppm in both diesel and petrol. They want to reduce sulfur content to 50 ppm, and it is important that in both diesel and petrol. So it is question number 13. And the next question number 22. In this question, okay, we have, okay, the reproduction, okay, which reproduction a person's an organism. So it depends on the habitat. It depends first on the habitat, and this it first depend on the habitat, and it depends on the internal physiology, and also depend on the genetic makeup. And Sati had written other factors, and this other factor include genetic factor. So it is the question number 3. It is the question number 22. And in question number 27, they have asked about the Henle loop, and the Henle loop, okay, is the descending limb. See, in this okay, in the ascending limb is impermeable to water. The ascending limb is impermeable to water, but it is permeable to NaCl. But although transport of electrolytes, see, that is actively or passively. This is important. This is the point of question. Actively or passively. So in this, they have considered it actively. They have considered this transport as active transport. That means when sodium goes from the loop of Henle to vasa recta in the ascending limb, it is active. They have considered it as active. So it is important. Active. They have considered passive as incorrect option. And next is question number 30. And question number 30, we have, see, the promoter. Okay, promoter and means operator. Okay, each operon has a specific, that is important. Each operon has a specific promoter and operator. Each operon has a specific operator and specific repressor. Each operon has a specific promoter as specific each operator, not promoter. Each operon has a specific operator and repressor. OR means operator and repressor. Each operon has a specific operator and repressor. It is important. And the next is okay, the Y gene codes for beta galactosidase. The Y gene codes for permease. The Y gene codes for permease which increase the permeability. The Y gene codes for permease which increase the permeability to the cell for beta galactosidase. Means the Y gene that codes for permease increase the permeability of the cell for beta galactosidase and thereby for lactose. Okay, so permease increase the permeability for beta galactosidase. That is important. Permeability for beta galactosidase is important. And the next is, okay, essentially a regulation of lac operon. Okay, regulation of lac operon can be visualized as regulation of enzyme synthesis by its substrate. Okay, essentially regulation of lac operon can be visualized as enzyme synthesis by its substrate. Means if enzyme is present, sorry, if substrate is present, then it will be on, and if substrate is absent, then it is off. It means when lactose is present, then it will be on, and when lactose is absent, then it is off. That they are like. Okay, and the next is 53. In 53, they have asked about the cytochrome C. This cytochrome C is present toward the outer side of the membrane, which help in the transport of electron from the complex number 3, that is the complex number 4. This is the complex number 4, and complex number 3 to complex number 4. This is complex number 4, and this is complex number 3. So it is a small protein. It is located to the outer side of the inner membrane, or toward the inner mitochondrial membrane side, okay, which transfer the electron between cytochrome 4, which is cytochrome B C1 complex, and cytochrome A3, that is complex 4. So it is important. And the next is that this gamete in GIFT. GIF2 is done in which female. Gamete intrafallopian transfer is done in those female which can provide suitable environment. Is done in those female which can provide suitable environment. Those female which can provide suitable environment. See, it is from this line that gamete intrafallopian transfer, that is GIFT. Gamete intrafallopian transfer, that is GIFT. Gamete intrafallopian transfer, that is GIFT. Gamete intrafallopian transfer, or GIFT, is done in those female. Transfer of ovum collected from a donor into fallopian tube is called as gamete intrafallopian transfer, and gamete intrafallopian transfer is done in those female who cannot produce one, means who cannot produce ova but can provide, and the female who cannot produce ova but they can provide suitable environment for fertilization. They can provide a suitable environment for fertilization. That is important, for fertilization. So the gamete intrafallopian transfer is done in those female who can provide a suitable environment for fertilization. That's why we doesn't use in vitro fertilization and then thereby embryo transfer in those female who can provide suitable environment for fertilization. And the next is question number 57. In this question, that is important, that whooping cough is known as kali khasi. Whooping cough means kali khasi, and diphtheria means gal ghotu. And kal means kal. Kushtrog means leprosy. And they have asked about the leprosy. Leprosy is known as kushtrog. Kal के को L से मिला, आंसर पाओ. कुष्ठरोग means leprosy. And these are the things that are important, but students may forget them. Question number 75. We have correction that meiosis occur not in zygospore. Meiosis occur in zygospore. Meiosis occur in zygospore. Yes, it is correct. Because the question is in question there is correction because answer is mismatched. In this, meiosis occur in zygospore. And they result in the formation of gamete. That's why. Gamete. That's why for the formation of gamete, meiosis take place, and not for the formation of zygospore. Meiosis take place due to formation of gamete. That's why question number 74/5 is incorrect. Option is correct. So that is a question, a paper which is slightly tricky. So good score will be 330 plus. 330 plus will be a good score in this paper. Which one of the following statement is true regarding the digestion and absorption of food in human? About 60% of the starch is hydrolyzed by the enzyme salivary amylase in our mouth. Yes, it is absolutely incorrect because 30% starch hydrolyzed होते हैं. Chylomicron are small lipoprotein particles that are transported from the intestine into the blood capillary. No, they are transported into the lacteal and not into the blood capillary. So it is incorrect. Fructose and amino acid are absorbed through intestinal mucosa with the help of killer ion like Na+. It is absolutely correct. And next is oxynitic cell in our stomach secrete the proenzyme pepsinogen. No. Oxynitic cell release CIF or HCl, and pepsinogen is secreted by chief cell or peptic cell, oxynitic cell, Om Prakash cell. Okay, so oxynitic parietal, oxynitic also known as parietal. So they secrete HCl and cassette intrinsic factor. So it is incorrect, and it is correct, and it is the required answer. The graph given below is showing biome distribution with respect to annual temperature and precipitation. Identify A, B, C respectively. See, A is tundra because here it is a straight line, or it is A is tundra, Arctic tundra. Okay. And C temperature constant. So temperature constant at tropical forest, tropical region. And okay, precipitation constant at desert, So A is tundra, C is tropical forest, and B is desert, B is desert. So it is our correct answer. Which option is incorrectly matched? Eco R1, production of sticky end. Yes, it produces sticky end where unpaired nucleotides are present. DNA ligase, multiplication of DNA molecule. No, DNA ligase help in sticking of DNA molecule and not multiplication. Next, which of the following is correct description of mechanism of action of combined pill? See, combined pill contain estrogen or progesterone combination. Okay, they contain progesterone estrogen combination and estrogen. Okay, so they inhibit ovulation and implantation, as well as alter the quality of cervical mucus to prevent the entry of sperm. Yes, it is correct. This prevent the physical meeting of sperm and ovum. No, it do not prevent, because it is a function of Breeder method, and combined pill are not Breeder methods. Okay, so we have first, which is correct, and next is next option C. This increase the phagocytosis of sperm within the uterus. Okay, this also suppress sperm motility and the fertilizing capacity of sperm. No. See, they increase phagocytosis. Yes. No. Because phagocytosis is the function of copper releasing iodines. Okay, increase phagocytosis. No. Okay, hormone releasing iodines increase phagocytosis. Yes. Of sperm within the uterus. This also suppresses sperm motility. Okay. Phagocytosis is the function of copper releasing iodines and the fertilizer, and reduce the suppress the sperm motility and fertilizing capacity of sperm. Okay, this prevent conception by blocking the entry of sperm through the cervix. This prevent conception. No, this is the function of valves and diaphragm or cervical caps. So A is the correct answer according to the question. In 1963, several varieties such as Sonalika and Kalyan Sona, which are high yielding and disease-resistant varieties of wheat, because wheat have cash कुछ ऐसा होता कि बहुत पैसा होता. कैसे Kalyan Sona, Atlas, Sonalika and Himgiri. Kalyan Sona, Atlas, Sonalika and Himgiri, these are the varieties of wheat. And RJ Sir means Jaya and Ratna. RJ Sir means Ratna and Jaya are these varieties of rice. Okay. And here it is wheat. If the heartbeat of a person is about 75 beat per minute and stroke volume is 70 ml per minute, then cardiac output is, we know that cardiac output is equal to heartbeat into stroke volume, and stroke volume is 17, heartbeat is 75 to 75 into 75 35 5 3 carry and 7 1 7 7 49, and 49 plus 3 52 5 to 50 ml of cardiac output. In amoeba, the dash vacuole is important for osmoregulation and excretion. Okay, the contractile vacuole. In amoeba, the contractile vacuole is important for osmoregulation and excretion. In many cell, as in protist, dash vacuole are formed by engulfing the particle. See, food vacuole are formed by engulfing the particle. Food vacuoles are formed by engulfing the particle. So we have D, which is the correct answer. Match the following column 1 with column 2 and choose the option with correct exact match. See, operator, we have PO means promoter, RNA polymerase bind with promoter, RNA polymerase bind with promoter, and repressor bind with operator, and repressor bind with operator, repressor bind with operator. So operator side is for binding side of repressor. So A is matched with 2, A is matched with 2. We have 3 options with A2 and then B. Okay, promoter. Therefore RNA polymerase bind with promoter, so B is matched with 1. And then C, regulatory gene code for repressor molecule. The regulatory gene codes for repressor molecule. Okay, so this is correct. C is matched with 4. Regulatory gene code for repressor molecule, that is known as gene I. Okay. Baculovirus are the pathogen that attacks. Okay, they attack both insect as well as arthropods. Baculovirus, they have narrow insecticidal application. Which one of the following statement is incorrect for interphase stage? Period of great metabolic activity. No. Yes, it is it has the period of great metabolic activity. Yes, it is correct. Also called as we have to find the incorrect statement, and it is correct. Also called as preparatory phase. Yes. Absence of replication of DNA. No. In S phase there is a replication of DNA, so replication of DNA does occur in interphase. It cover over 95% of the total duration of cell cycle. Yes, so we have C, which is incorrect and the required answer. The next is the common molecule between Krebs cycle and C4 pathway is oxaloacetic acid. Oxaloacetic acid is a 4-carbon molecule. Okay, in Krebs cycle, oxaloacetic acid combined with acetyl coenzyme A to give a molecule of citric acid in the presence of the enzyme citric synthase. So it is also the first molecule of Krebs cycle, and it is the first fixation product or first pseudo-fixation product of C4 pathway. So it is a common between both. Water flux. So these are the masses of bacteria that are associated with fungal filament which form a mesh-like structure. Okay, fungi plus bacteria. Masses of bacteria which form mesh-like structure, which are associated with fungi. Which of the following is correct with respect to Euro 3 norm? Yes, sulfur content to be controlled at 150 ppm in diesel. No. Sulfur content should be 350 in diesel and 150 in petrol. They reverse the options. Okay, it is incorrect. 350 in diesel and 150 in petrol. Petrol is more means petrol is more pure than diesel, so we have to reduce more the amount of sulfur in petrol. Aromatic hydrocarbon to be contained at 42% of the concerned fuel. Yes, it is correct. The goal according to roadmap is to reduce sulfur to 150 ppm in petrol and 50 ppm in diesel. No, they want to reduce the sulfur in both diesel and petrol to 50 ppm. So it is incorrect, and B is the correct answer. Which of the following is an example of passive immunity? Okay, antibody present in colostrum, that is IgA, is present, and it is an example of passive immunity. Yes. Okay, antibody received by fetus through placenta, that is IgG, that is smallest antibody. It is also an example of passive immunity. Yes. Okay, antibody present in the snake venom, they are pre-formed antibody, they are ready-made antibody, so they are an example of passive immunity. It is also correct, so all of these are correct. The deficiency of micronutrient, not only affect the growth of plant but also affect the vital functions such as photosynthesis and respiration. Okay, among the list given below, which group of 3 elements shall affect both photosynthesis and cellular respiration the most? See, copper, magnesium and iron. Copper, magnesium and iron will affect the CO2, both, because copper and because iron are present in most of the cytochromes, and magnesium is the activator of most of the enzymes involved in both photosynthesis as well as respiration. Vein possesses a large lumen because it has thin. Tunica media is thin. That's why vein possesses large lumen. Because its tunica media is thin. Osteoporosis, an age-related disorder or disease of skeletal muscle, may occur due to decreased level of estrogen that is more common in female. Okay. The most widely accepted theory of ascent of sap in trees is the cohesion tension transpiration pool model given by Dixon and Joly. Which of the following statement is true? Spore are always diploid. Spore and gamete are diploid. No. Gamete are always haploid. Yes. Gamete are always haploid because they are result of reduction division, that is meiosis. Which is our correct statement? Which is our correct statement? In flowering plant, trachea and vessel are the main water transporting element. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, it is correct. And in gymnosperm, trachea are the chief water transporting element. Yes, because gymnosperm lack vessels, and in the place of vessel, okay, in the place of component cell they have albuminous cell. In the place of sheep cell or sheep tubes they have sheep cell. So they play an important role in water transport. Tracheates play an important role in water transport in gymnosperm. Component cell play an important role in the maintenance of pressure gradient in the sheep tube. Yes, 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 because component cell control the sheep tube. So all of these are correct. Choose the correct combination of label for the molecule involved in Calvin cycle. See, RUBP. A is RUBP when RUBP react with CO2 it form PGA on reduction of acid, that is phosphoglyceric acid, form an aldehyde, that is triose phosphate, So first molecule is RUBP and which give PGA, and then C is triose phosphate. Okay, there are various type of reproduction. The type of reproduction adapted by an organism depend on its habitat, its physiology, and the genetic makeup. It depend on the habitat, it depend on the physiology, and it depend on the makeup. So it is considered in hard question. Select the option that is correct with respect to trypanosoma. It is a flagellated protozoan. Yes. It is a parasite. Yes. It causes sleeping sickness. Yes. Trypanosoma gambensis causes the sleeping sickness. Okay, given below is a diagram of embryo sac with a certain label. Select the option that correctly identifies the label. C. A are the antipodals. So we have A are 3 antipodals. So our answer can be A and B. And B is 2 polar nuclei. And C is XL. And not synergist. So B is the correct answer. Select the correct statement regarding post-transcriptional modification. In capping, methyl guanosine triphosphate is added at the 3' end. No. It is added in the 5' end. Okay. In telling adenylate residue are added to 3' in template dependent manner. No, they are added in template independent manner. So it is incorrect. It is a process of conversion of mRNA to hnRNA. No, it is a process of conversion of hnRNA to mRNA. So it is incorrect and not our required answer. It involves removal of intron and joining of exon. Yes. Intron are the non-functional part. We remove it and we join the exon in the case of post-transcriptional modification. When food energy passes from herbivore to carnivore. When food energy passes from herbivore to carnivore. Okay, when food energy passes from herbivore to carnivore, then energy decreases. Some energy decreases because of the Lindemann 10% loss. 90% energy is lost, and only 10% energy reaches from one trophic level to another trophic level. See, that's why it is a required answer. Select the incorrect statement. The countercurrent mechanism changed the isotonic glomerular filtrate into hypertonic urine by increasing salt concentration around the nephron and collecting tubule. Yes, it is correct. The wall of collecting tubule is permeable to water, whereas ascending limb is impermeable to water. Yes. And the absorption of water in DCT is facultative. Yes, that is when necessary and occur. Okay, as the filtrate passes through the ascending limb. As the filtrate passes from the ascending limb, sodium is transferred passively in the ascending thick segment. No, it is not transferred actively. So it is not transferred passively. It can be actively transported, it can be passively transported, but mainly it is transported actively. It is transferred actively because the concentration gradient is against the gradient. Okay, so this is incorrect. D is incorrect. In an organism, enzyme generally have different pH but same temperature optimum. Different pH but same temperature optimum. See, in our body, some enzyme are become active at acidic pH and some become active at basic alkaline pH. So they have different temperature optimum, but the body of our normal body temperature is 37 degrees Celsius. Though they have same temperature optimum. Okay, the statement given below describes certain features that are observed in pistil of flower. A pistil may have many carpel. Yes, it is called as polycarpillary. It is correct. Okay, each carpel may have more than one ovule. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, each carpel has only one ovule. Not only this. Okay, we have more conditions. A pistil has only one carpel. It is not necessary. So we have choose the statement that are true for the option. We have only 1 and 2 which are correct. Only 1 and 2 which are correct. Read the following statement for Lac-Operon. Read the following statement for Lac-Operon. Read the following statement for Lac-Operon. Okay, each operon has a specific operator and specific repressor. Yes, yes, yes. The Y gene code for permease ZYA, okay, which increase the permeability of the cell to beta galactosidase. Yes, yes, yes. The Z code for beta galactosidase, Y code for permease, and A codes for transacetylase. So Y code for permease, and the permease increase the permeability of the cell to beta galactosidase. So second is correct. Third is regulation of Lac-Operon can be visualized as the regulation of enzyme by its substrate. Regulation of enzyme by its substrate. So it is also correct. So we have all statements are correct. All the statements are correct. Which type of population interaction is found between clownfish and sea anemone? सी clownfish का फायदा प्लस एंड सी एनीमोन का कुछ नहीं, क्योंकि यहाँ पे जगह प्रोवाइड करता है कौन? सी एनीमोन जगह प्रोवाइड करता है। सी एनीमोन से कोई फायदा नहीं मिलता, कोई नुकसान भी नहीं होता, लेकिन क्लॉनफिश को बच जाता है प्रीडेटर से। सो क्लॉनफिश हैज अ प्रॉफिट एंड ओके पॉजिटिव इफेक्ट ऑन क्लॉनफिश एंड नो इफेक्ट ऑन सी एनीमोन। दैट्स व्हाई इट इज अ commensal interaction, because one is benefited and another is unaffected. In vertebrates, the notochord is modified into vertebral column. In vertebrates, the notochord is modified into vertebral column. The hormone released during post-ovulatory phase help in C. The hormone that is released during the post-ovulatory phase. The hormone which is released during the post-ovulatory phase. The hormone which is released during. Okay, the hormone which is released during post-ovulatory phase means after ovulation is progesterone. Maintenance of pregnancy, yes. It help in maintenance of pregnancy, yes. Development of secondary sexual character, no. Ovulation, no. Increase in the production of FSH and LH, no. So we have first option which is correct. Okay. Resistance to yellow mosaic virus and powdery mildew were induced by mutation. C. In mung bean we have done mutation breeding and we induce resistance against yellow mosaic virus and powdery mildew by mutation. Given below is an incomplete table about hormone, their source gland, and one major effect of each on the body in human. Identify the correct option for the 3 blank A, B, C. C. A release estrogen, and who release estrogen? Progesterone. Ovary release estrogen. C. Ovary release estrogen. So our answer can be maintenance of secondary sexual character. C. It is responsible for maintenance of secondary sexual character. Then A must be ovary. So A is ovary. Alpha से glucagon, beta से insulin. So alpha से glucagon, beta से insulin. Alpha cell secrete glucagon. Anti-pituitary over secretion cause gigantism, that is growth hormone. One set of plant was grown at 12 hour a day and 12 hour a night period cycle, and it flower, while the other set the night phase was interrupted by flash of light and did not produce flower. Under which of the following categories will you place? See, for short day plant the dark period is very critical. It means it should be continuous. Okay, anything. See, in short day plant the dark period is critical, and in long day plant the long period is critical. So always the long period is critical and it should be continued uninterrupted. But if this flower does not flower, then this flower should be short day plant. This flower should be short day plant. Okay, its flower should be short day plant. What is correct regarding ecological succession? The decrease in the biodiversity at each transitional level. No, there is an increase in biodiversity, so it is incorrect. Primary succession is faster than secondary succession. No, primary succession is slow. Change to environment condition. Okay, extreme to music. Yes. The always. Okay, this succession lead to a music condition. It is medium water condition. Whether it is So change to climatic. Okay. Change to environmental condition extreme to music. Yes, it is the correct option and it is the required answer. The climatic, okay, the climax community is most stable with the environment and the Nikkei and food web complexity is less. No. Food web complexity and the Nikkei should be high. So it is incorrect. C is incorrect. We have 3 sahi. See sahi. Okay, a taxon which is facing an extremely high risk of extinction in the wild, okay, is in immediate future is known as it is critically endangered. Okay, it is high risk of extinction. Okay, then that is known as critically endangered species. One of the most one of the important consequence of geographical isolation. Okay, one of the important consequence of geographical isolation. One of the important consequence of geographical isolation is preventing speciation. No, speciation through reproductive isolation. Yes. In geographical isolation, the reproductive isolation occur, and if reproductive isolation occur, then the speciation occurs. So, okay, geographical isolation leads to reproductive isolation, and reproductive isolation leads to speciation. So, it is correct option. Next. Given below is the ECG of normal human. Which one of its correct component is correctly interpreted below? Okay, P, Q, R, S, and T. P is initiation of left atria contraction only. No. P is the initiation of both the atria and not only left atria. So it is incorrect. And peak T is the initiation of total cardiac contraction and it is the end of ventricular depolarization. And the next C is peak P and peak R together, systolic and diastolic blood pressure. Peak P and peak R, that systolic and diastolic blood pressure. Okay. No. QRS complex, one QRS complex complete one pulse. Yes, peak P and peak R are different thing. Okay, these are not systolic and diastolic. They are both systolic. See, peak P is also systolic. See, peak R is also systolic. So it is incorrect, and we have D, which is correct. Means one QRS complex gives one pulse. Okay, by counting the QRS complex, we can tell that how many pulse is present in the human or an individual. Okay, which one of the following is categorized as parasite in two sense, a female Anopheles. It is a previous year question. Okay, the female Anopheles bite and suck of blood from human. It is an example of parasite. Yes. No, it is not a true parasite. We have to find a true parasite. So it is not a true parasite because female Anopheles is vector and not a parasite. Human fetus developing inside the uterus. So it is a question from NCERT's line. Okay, NCERT has asked about this question in the in-text question. Okay, human fetus developing inside the uterus draw nourishment from the mother. See, two species cannot be said to be a parasite of one and another because human and mother are belong to same species, so they cannot be considered as single and they cannot be considered as parasite or host. So it is incorrect. Okay, head louse living on human scalps. Okay, as well as laying eggs on human hair. Yes, it is an example of true parasite. And last is cuckoo lays its egg in crow nest. No, it is an example of brood parasitism. Is a false parasitism. Means cuckoo करने वाली कोयल काव करने वाले कौवे के घोंसले में अंडा देती है. That is known as brood parasitism. Okay, next, many freshwater animal cannot live for long in sea water and vice versa, mainly because of osmotic problems. Which of the following is the most abundant protein animal? It is collagen is the most abundant protein in animal, and rubisco is the most abundant protein in the plant world. Select the incorrect statement. Every 100 ml of deoxygenated blood deliver approximately 4 ml of CO2 to the alveoli. Okay, every 100 ml of deoxygenated blood deliver approximately 4 ml of CO2 to the alveoli. It is absolutely correct. Carbonic anhydrase is present in very high concentration in the RBC. Yes. Okay, high PCO2 and low PO2 in the tissue help in binding of carbon dioxide. High PO2, okay, बिल्कुल correct है. CO2 is carried in hemoglobin as carboxyhemoglobin. No. CO2 is carried in hemoglobin as carbaminohemoglobin. Carboxyhemoglobin is formed when carbon monoxide reacted with hemoglobin and not carbon dioxide. So it is incorrect and the required answer. Okay, during the resting state of neural membrane, if diffusion occur due to concentration gradient. Okay, during the resting state of the neural membrane, if diffusion occurred due to concentration gradient, it would drive Na plus into the cell because Na plus का concentration बाहर में ज़्यादा है, अंदर में क्या है, so Na plus goes inside into the cell. ओके, K प्लस भी है लेकिन K प्लस का उतना नहीं, उतना कंसंट्रेशन ग्रेडियंट K प्लस का नहीं मिलेगा, Na प्लस का मिलेगा. Okay, cold-blooded animal fall under ectotherms. Okay, cold-blooded animal are unable to maintain their constant body temperature, so they are known as ectotherms. In F2 generation, genotypic and phenotypic ratio are identical in the case of incomplete dominance. Okay, in incomplete dominance, the genotypic ratio is 1 is to 2 is to 1, as well as the phenotypic ratio is 1 is to 2 is to 1. Which of the following is a macronutrient? See, calcium is a macronutrient and calcium is immobile. So the deficiency in terms of calcium first of all tend to appear first in newer young leaves. Young part. Which of the following is correct with respect to tools of RDD, that is recombinant DNA technology? Presence of more than one recognition site for one enzyme within the vector generates several fragments which will complicate gene cloning. It is absolutely correct. It is absolutely correct. So it is the correct answer and it is the required answer. Ligation of alien DNA is carried out at the restriction site present in ORI. At the restriction site present in ORI. The restriction site present in ORI. Okay, in PBR322, antibiotic resistant gene help in selection of transformant, whereas other help in cloning. Okay, no. We have to find out the correct statement. Okay, in PBR2 antibiotic resistant help in selection of transformant and other help in cloning. Both help in. Okay, one help in selection of the transformant from non-transformant and other help in selection of the recombinant from non-recombinant. So it is incorrect. An ROP code for protein involved in ligation of foreign DNA. No, ROP, that is replication of plasmid. Which one of the following system is commonly used in alcoholic fermentations? If fungal system, for example, we use a Saccharomyces cerevisiae, that is the yeast and fungus. The movement of mineral iron into plant root cell as a result of diffusion is mainly as a result of diffusion we have most of the person will take active absorption, but here the question is asking movement of mineral iron into the plant cell as a result of diffusion. If mineral iron move as a result of diffusion, then this diffusion is along the concentration gradient, and if the diffusion is along the concentration gradient, then ATP is not required, so it is an passive absorption. In which one of the following do both the name refers to same thing? Tricarboxylic acid and urea cycle? No. Krebs cycle and Calvin cycle? No. Tricarboxylic acid cycle and citric acid cycle? Yes, because tricarboxylic acid cycle, that is Krebs cycle, where the first stable product is tricarboxylic acid, citric acid, which contain 3 COH group. Okay, a small protein that is attached to the outer surface of the inner membrane of mitochondria and act as a mobile carrier of electron, that is heat discussion and transfer. Okay, while carrier for electron transferred in oxidative phosphorylation. Okay, this is nothing but it is asking about the cytochrome C. Cytochrome C is a small protein which transfer electron between complex number 3 and complex number 4, where complex number 3 is cytochrome BC1 complex and complex number 4 is cytochrome AA3. Okay, next is next small protein is done. Okay, find the odd one out with respect to Chargaff rule. See, Chargaff said that adenine always pair with thymine, and adenine is equals to thymine and cytosine equals to guanine. So A plus T must be equal to G plus C. It is according to Chargaff rule. So on rearranging we get this, and we get this from earlier, this from this we get this, and but A plus T equals to G plus C. It is not a Chargaff rule. It is the species specific ratio. It is a species specific ratio. Okay, and the fourth is base ratio, that is A by T is close to unity and C by G is close to unity, because they are always almost equal. Okay, next is maximum trapping of solar energy is observed in planting trees, cultivating crop, and growing algae in a tank. Yes, growing algae in a tank, okay, will maximum trapping of solar energy take place. Okay, because they have large surface area. Homothermy is found in homothermy is found in rat, which is a mammalia, which is a member of class Mammalia. Okay, which of the following is known as Kush stroke? See, leprosy is known as Kush stroke. Kal means K is meshed with L, means K को L से मिला और आंसर पाओ. Kal means okay, Kush stroke, that is leprosy. Whooping cough, काली खांसी, और diphtheria, that is गाल घोटू. और हमने बोला कि जो leprosy है, it is kal means Kush stroke is nothing but leprosy. Kush stroke is nothing but leprosy, and diphtheria is गाल घोटू, and whooping cough is काली खांसी. Okay, Which of the following feature of which of the following feature of halophil is used to differentiate them from eubacteria? C. Halophil is a member of archaebacteria, and archaebacteria cell wall is made of complex mucopolysaccharide and mucopolypeptide, and they are made of complex mucopolysaccharide. They are made of complex mucopolysaccharide and mucopolypeptide. So their cell wall and the cell membrane contain branch chain lipids. So they differ due to the cell wall and cell membrane structure. And they belong to archaebacteria. Yes, they survive. Okay, they survive in extreme condition. Yes. Which of the following factor regulate human life within reference to population density? C. Okay, human life is affected by the food, housing and health facilities, urbanization, climatic condition, all of this. Okay, human population density is affected by all of this. Which of the following is correct regarding the separation of DNA fragment during gel electrophoresis? C. Okay, smaller the fragment, the farther it moves. Okay, smaller the fragment, the farther it moves. From where side? Okay, we add DNA in the cathode. And cathode is negatively charged. DNA is negatively charged, so they will repel, and the DNA will move toward the anode. Okay, so most of the smallest fragment will move farther, and farthest point toward the anode. Endosperm is consumed by developing embryo in the seed of C. Okay, most of the dicots are non-endospermous because they have enough food as the form of cotyledon. Okay, so P, that is a dicot which has a which does not have endosperm, but some dicot like ester which has endosperm. Okay. In a cell the number of chromosome is same at but the amount of DNA content has changed from C to 2C. Okay, also the amount of histone in the cell become double. In which stage of the cell cycle the process could had happened? See, in S phase. Okay, in S phase, that is known as synthesis phase, the DNA duplicate itself and the histone protein synthesize itself. Okay, in S phase we have three main things. First is the DNA replication, second is the histone replication, and third is the centriole replication in animal cell. Which of the following statement is correct? Extensive use of chemical fertilizer may lead to eutrophication of nearby water bodies. Yes, we have to find out that it is correct. Both Azotobacter and Rhizobium fix atmospheric nitrogen in the root nodules. No. Azotobacter is a free living anaerobic nitrogen fixer. So it is incorrect. Okay, it is incorrect. Cyanobacteria such as Anabaena and Nostoc are important mobilizer of phosphate and potassium for plant nutrition. For plant nutrition in soil. No, they are important mobilizer of nitrogen and not the phosphate. Okay. At present, it is not possible to grow maize without chemical fertilizer. We can grow maize without chemical fertilizer because with the help of hydroponics or anything else. Erythroblastosis fetalis can be seen in marriage between a Rh positive male and Rh negative female. Rh negative female and Rh positive male. Rh positive male. So B is the correct required answer. Okay. Next. The situation where indigenous knowledge of nature originating with indigenous people is used by others for profit without taking proper permission from them and with little or no compensation or recognition to the indigenous people themselves is known as biopiracy. It is nothing but biopiracy. The region of chromatin that is stained lightly is euchromatin, and euchromatin means like this. They have very gap between its and on heterochromatin they have very less this gap. So euchromatin is transcriptionally active because RNA can easily go and bind with and form the mRNA. So they are transcriptionally active. Euchromatin are transcriptionally active. Select the correct option regarding respiratory volume. Okay, respiratory volume, that is total capacity of the lungs. Okay, that is total capacity of the lung is vital capacity plus tidal volume. No, vital capacity plus residual volume is the total capacity of the lungs. Okay, so it is incorrect. And next is vital capacity is total lung volume minus residual volume. Yes, it is absolutely correct and the required answer. Okay, in photosynthesis the light independent reaction take place in what? Light independent reaction, it is nothing but dark reaction or Calvin cycle that take place in the stroma matrix with the help of the enzyme rubisco, that is rubulose 1,5 phosphate carboxylase oxygenase. Okay, and next is next in microsporangium cell of which layer have more than one nucleus? See, the tapetum is the layer that is the innermost layer of the microsporangium which may be which may have one or more cell. more than one nucleus, sorry. If a female has a rudimentary ovary but can provide a suitable environment for the growth of fetus, then the ART that can be used is gamete intrafallopian transfer. If the female is able to form a, see, it is very important question, it is a tough question and it is a tricky question. Okay, someone can think of IVF, that is in vitro fertilization. So in vitro fertilization develop and then embryo transfer. See, if it can if the environment is suitable, then we can transfer the zygote itself and not to embryo. So it is incorrect, and we have gamete intrafallopian transfer is the best option regarding to this question. Okay, if the female is able to produce suitable provide a suitable environment, then we go with GIFT, gift. Which the following is correct, which the following is correct about which the following is correct about association area of the brain? They are large regions that are neither sensory nor motor function. Yes. These are responsible for communication and memory. Yes. They control several emotional reaction. Okay, no. So we have A and D, which is correct. Which of the following option explain the correct function of cortisol? Reabsorption of Na plus and water and excretion. No, it is a function of aldosterone, and we have to know the function of cortisol to produce anti-inflammatory reaction. Yes. Cortisol is an immunosuppressive which is taken after the surgery. Okay, it carry out lipolysis, lipogenesis. No. It cortisol सब कुछ तोड़ के क्या बनाएगा? ग्लूकोज बनाएगा. cortisol क्या करेगा? सब कुछ तोड़ के ग्लूकोज बनाएगा. Okay, glycogenesis करेगा, lipolysis करेगा, proteolysis करेगा. So it is incorrect. And to increase the cellular glucose uptake and utilization of amino acid, it increase the glucose level in the blood. In which class of fungi asexual spore are produced exogenously and sexual spore are produced endogenously? So it is asking about Ascomycetes. In Ascomycetes, the exogenous asexual spore are Conidia and the endogenous sexual spore are Ascospore. Okay. They are endogenous. In prokaryotic cell, mesosome function as DNA replication and distribution of daughter cell. Yes. And formation of cell wall, increase the cell surface area of the plasma and enzymatic content. Yes. It is the function of mesosome. Respiration and secretion process. Yes, these all are the function of mesosome. According to NCERT. In Spirogyra, meiosis occur during zygospore formation. And zygospore means spore formation. It occur in the zygote itself. Zygospore are haploid, and the zygote immediately divide to form zygospore. Okay, the zygote immediately divide to form zygospore, and the zygote, that is why zygotic meiosis happen, and the life cycle is known as haplontic life cycle. Amnion help in protection of the fetus from mechanical shock. Okay, amnion is a protective layer which help in protection of the fetus from mechanical shock. In stem, the protoxylem lies toward the center. C. Protoxylem means chota, and the metaxylem outside. Okay, toward the periphery, and this primary xylem is called a C. It is enlarged condition or exarch. It is enlarged. Enlarged means because the arrow is inside side. Okay, so it is an enlarged condition which is seen in. Okay. Next. Which of the following correctly characterize the plant body of Funaria? See, Funaria, the predominant plant body is gametophyte. Okay, the predominant plant body is gametophyte over which sporophyte is present. Okay, according to NCERT, the diagram look like this. Is the diagram of Funaria, and in Funaria we have food, seta, and capsule. Okay, this is a sporophyte part. And below this is a gametophyte part, and then down one is a gametophyte part. So we have A, which is the correct option. That is predominantly gametophyte and with its dependent sporophyte. Plant can be cultivated in soil-less medium, where all required nutrients are supplied from the outside in the water solution. This method is under the hydroponics that is discovered by Julius von Seckers. Okay. The correct sequence of process represented by A, B, C is food, digestion occur, and then the first food, the digestion of food take place, and then diffusion into the mitochondria, and then cellular respiration take place in the mitochondria. So A is digestion, B is diffusion, and C is cellular respiration. Identify the correct sequence through which the inhaled air move. Identify the correct sequence through which inhaled air move. Trachea, lungs, larynx, pharynx, alveoli? No. The first thing that appears during the intake of air is the nostril, and the pharynx is the common passes for food and air. So pharynx come first, then larynx. So then nostril, then pharynx, and then larynx, and then trachea, then bronchi, then bronchioles, and then alveoli the last. Okay, next. Okay, next is which of the following feature is not present in the phylum Arthropoda? Cartineous exoskeleton, yes. Metamerically segmented body, yes. A jointed appendage, yes. Parapodia are present in the annelida and not in the Arthropoda. Cytochrome are found in the matrix of mitochondria, no. Outer wall of the mitochondria, no. Cristae of the mitochondria, yes. Lysosome, no. Cristae of the mitochondria, that is inner membrane of mitochondria which are folding, so where oxysomes are present or cristae. Okay, mass. Okay, the part of the water move from soil to exarch xylem is, see, from soil to it enters soil, then it enter to the root hair cell, and then to the cortex, and then to the epidermis, and then to the cortex, and then to the endodermis, and then to the phloem, and then last into the xylem. So we have soil root hair, and then epidermis, and then epidermis, and epidermis, and then endodermis, and endodermis, and then proto. Okay, we have soil root hair, epidermis, endodermis, and then phloem, and then xylem. This is the correct pathway. Correct pathway. Endarch xylem. Endarch means it is facing inside, so it is like that. Means metaxylem is toward the outside. Okay. No. Metaxylem is toward the. See, it is correct because they are all incorrect because cortex comes early than endodermis. So we have. Okay. C, it is the correct option. See, cortex and endodermis, and then pericycle, and then protoxylem, and then metaxylem. Okay, exarch condition. Yes, there is exarch condition and not endarch. Exarch means we have like this, that metaxylem is toward the center. Okay, which of the following is incorrectly paired? Homo sapien are mammals. Yes, Homo sapien are mammals. Okay, Musca domestica insect. Yes, Triticum mystivum, that is monocot and not dicot, because wheat is a monocot, and Mangifera indica is dicot. Yes, so we have C, that is correct. Which of the following technique is not required for DNA fingerprinting? Okay, PCR is required. No, ELISA is not required for DNA fingerprinting. That is, enzyme link immunosorbent test is not required for DNA fingerprinting. Extinction enzyme, yes, required. DNA hybridization, yes, required. Transgenic plant are the one that is generated by introducing a foreign DNA into a cell and generating the plant from that cell. It is the transgenic plant. Which of the following flower is unisexual? See, cucumber are unisexual, and these are, okay, kaku.com KMD ने अपना क्या लगा दिया? DP. KMD ने अपना DP लगा दिया. So these are all monoecious, and red palm and papaya dioecious. So cucumber is monoecious in nature. Means, okay, it is in single body, both the male and female part present, but monoecious and dioecious term are only useful for unisexual plants. The process of the unisexual flower. The process of development of more than one embryo in a seed of citrus is known as polyembryony. Pneumatophores is seen in Rhizophora, that is main group plant, and which are mainly halophytes.
अरे मिनट नहीं है हॉटस्पॉट ऑन कर